Hi everyone, so we might have a minor or maybe major problem here. So let me just show you real quick. Turn it on. Hi everyone, so this is still how much watch time hours I need and views I need to reach my goal to become monetized. Hopefully you guys can help me out. Thanks. Turn it on. See? There's no smoke coming out. Fan is working. It's heating up, but there's no smoke coming out. And for TK 7.0, when you turn the smoker switch on or button on, smoke should be coming out immediately, right? Dapat may usok na agad. But in our case, I've been talking for a while now. Wala pa rin kahit anong usok. I refilled this earlier. So it should be working, but it's not. There are smoke coming out here, but that is it. Nothing is coming out from this side. So we'll have to open this to find out. Pwedeng flooded, it can be flooded, or it can also be so dry na hindi sapat yung nilagay ko. Maybe what I put in was not enough. So there's only one way to find out. Let me just turn that off. Okay. Okay, there are only 4 screws. And we will know what the problem is in a few. Okay guys, I found out the problem is actually the opposite. It's not dry, but I overflooded it. Use this to extract the excess oil. Look at how much I'm getting. So there's just too much. So just push down the cotton, then release. And see, watch it absorb the excess oil. So I'm pinching the dropper and then releasing it while I'm pushing down on the cotton to take out the excess oil. Do this until you're not getting anything, and you can simply add if need be. Now let's go ahead and test it. I haven't closed it yet, just want to see if it's going to generate or work already. Let's turn it on. There you go. So there was too much smoke oil. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Okay, let's test it again. There you go. So that's how much smoke it should be making.